Welcome to the smartest decision you have ever made. Because inside this course, we will be talking about no nonsensical stuff, no bullshit, no fluff, no comparison, no FOMOing, only real insights, real values, and real freelancing. So, if this is something you vouched up for, then you are definitely at the right place. And if you are watching me, that definitely means you are trying to break the matrix and you want to see how the real world works. And you are fed up of the nonsensical bullshit that you see every day on your feed. So now, before we move on, I would like to make a few things clear. Module 1, 2, and 3 are solely for beginners, like for the people who are in the industry for the last 2 to 3 months and who have not crossed the 20,000 rupees mark as their total income. And if you are somebody who is an intermediate or advanced level person, module 4 to 7 are for you. So I don't want you to waste your time on things that you already know because you have wasted a lot already, right? And once again, congrats, you have signed up for this course because your whole perspective and view about freelancing is going to change. I'll see you inside the modules.